Hey folks, Roger Bain from Bain Custom Woodworking. So I have a challenge of a project that I need to show you. So let me flip the camera and I'll show you what I'm doing. And I'll also post the drawing within this video so you can see what my dilemma is. So what you're looking at are 3 shelves right here. These guys, they are 60 inches long and 18 inches deep. And what my client wants is that right there, which is a 4.5-inch support piece. So he wants to put one shelf on the floor, support piece in the back, so it's 4.5 inches deep into the shelving unit, secure that to the next shelf, then put another support piece and secure a top shelf. So you have 3 shelves and 2 support pieces. Now, I'll show you the picture here. Let me put that in here. So the dilemma that I have is I can screw the top shelf to the top of one support. I can screw the bottom shelf to from the bottom up to another support, and then screw that middle shelf into the top of the first support. And you see that in the drawing. The question that I have is, how am I going to support the top centerpiece into that middle shelf? I hope I explained that correctly. So, because what he's going to have on here is some very heavy speakers and a sound system. So I've come up with this idea. Let me show you what I'm doing. Using a 1/2-inch router bit, I am routering in this groove on both shelves so that I can put in a 1/2-inch threaded rod from top to bottom. That's 38 inches. And then secure the 3 shelves and the 2 supports all together. So if this works, you'll see this video. So let me go over to the router table and cut the one last slot, and then we'll see if this is going to work. So these are the pieces of wood that we routed. As you can see that rod sticking through there. Well, it's got to go through a number of pieces of lumber. So I decided to get creative and do it this way. So let's see if it works. Well, apparently it does. And they're through. So now let's put this baby together. So after inserting the threaded rods, then I put a lock washer and a nut on the each end and recess them in just about 3/4 of an inch so I can plug these holes. But the other thing you'll see that I did is I actually put timber frame screws that you would use on a deck as well. I put 2 on each, the top and the bottom, just to kind of give it a little bit more security. Nothing like a little bit overkill, but in my opinion, this is a very heavy piece to be held. So I will plug all of these holes, both in the top and the bottom, but the rod with a nut on the top and a nut on the bottom pulls that center shelf in and gives it some support, and the timber screws giving the top and the bottom shelf the support they need as well, because this is a very heavy piece. So let's take a look at it fully assembled and standing up.